Hello, teacher. Sevilla has a reputation as city of heat. Since May, we start looking for the fall. From this month, the heat begins to increasing until September. Fortunately, it's coincidence with the children's holidays. They look for the fun and fun place like the Isla Mágica. We have places and it's great. We also go to the beach. We go to Tavira in Portugal. That is the way we face the summer. When it's when it is cool weather, we look for sunny places. We do hiking trail with the kids and have a good time. This happens in March or so. The spring comes with allergies. But despite that, there are years when it comes very strong. Anyway, we go to the park and do paellas and barbecues. The season that we like almost at home is autumn. There are no allergies. There is not much heat and it is not cold. Although sometimes it rains. I come from Ecuador, where the four seasons can be the same day.